Grandma. Say hi to Grandma Shirley. No, you gotta say hi, Grandma Shirley. Say hi, let's see.
Hi, Marshall.
Huh?
Hi, Marshall.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say hi, Grandma Rita.
Hi, Rita.
Okay. Hi, Grandma Carol.
Hi, Grandma Carol.
Hi, Grandma everybody. Oh.
Hi, Grandma everybody.
Yeah. Say hi, all the grandmas, huh? Okay, now say hi, all the grandpas. Hi, Grandpa Ward. Oh.
Hi, Grandpa Ward.
Hi, Great Grandpa Ward.
Hi, Great Grandpa Ward.
Hey.
Hi, Grandpa Ward.
Yeah.
Hi, Great Grandma.
Oh, you already said this. Hi to Grandma.
Nuh-uh. Far away.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Hi, Grandma Grandfather.
Who else do you want to say hi to?
Marcia. Hi, Marcia.
Who else do you want to say hi to? Say hi to Pat? Say hi to Pat?
Hi, Pat.
Hi, Andy.
Hi,
Brenda.
Andy. Hi, Brenda.
Trevor.
Trevor.
Jared.
Karen.
Who else? Say,
Hi, Sly.
Grandma Grace.
Grandma Gates.
Yeah. Grandma Harvey.
Grandma Harley.
Harvey.
Harvey.
Excuse me. Let's see. Did we leave somebody out?
That's it.
Hi, Fred.
Hi, Fred.
Hi, Frank.
Hi, Frank.
Yeah. Forgot.
Hi, Drop Dead Fred.
Who?
Hi, Drop Dead Fred.
Oh, Justin and Fred.
Drop Dead Fred.
Oh.
Peekaboo.
Oh, you're getting too close. I can't see
Can
it.
I do it?
Huh? No.
No, let's try now.
Who cut your hair? Where?
Kelly
Kelly?
and Sarah and Charlie.
All of them cut your hair? They cut your hair?
And one's healing here. He looks like me. And Marvin.
Huh?
Hi, Marvin.
Oh, you saying hi again?
Hi,
Oh, hi. Who are we saying hi to now?
Marvin.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Roseanne.
So where are you at? Where are you at?
To Bowling Green.
No, you're in Liberty Center.
Atlanta Center.
What are you doing here?
Tigers.
Yeah, Tigers. Yeah, what are you going to do?
Eat my hot dog.
Well, yeah, but what else are you going to do?
Say Kelly.
What else are you going to see here?
Sarah.
Football? There, football. Yeah. Look at the Tigers.